Tools of DIY, and today is part 4 of DIY fidget toys. The fidget toy we will be making today is going to be a dough stress ball. The ingredients you will need today will be a balloon, flour, spoon, plate, and a water bottle so you can go ahead and use it as a funnel for the flour. To start off, you're going to grab your balloon and just blow it up a few times. So now that I have a blown up balloon, I'm just going to go ahead and let all the air out because the balloon doesn't need to be inflated. So I'll see you then. So now that I blew up the balloons a few times, I kind of have the canal open more so that it's not really tight. So you can go ahead and set your balloon off to the side now. The next things you will need will be your spoon, water bottle, plate, and flour. The plate is to protect your surface and in case any spillage happens. You can do it over a sink, but for the purpose of the video, I'm doing it over a plate. And then the spoon is to go ahead and help the flour go into the water bottle. Now if you're able to cut it, that'll be a lot easier and you can skip the step I'm doing right now. So what you have to do, you grab your spoon and you're just going to grab some flour. And then you're going to go ahead and grab that flour and put it into the water bottle the best you can. Without it stirring. So now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this until it's full enough to the right size of my balloon. Okay guys, so now I have my bottle filled to about the size I think my balloon should be at. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my balloon and we're going to go ahead and grab the balloon, open up the canal, the throat section, and try and open it to where the balloon part is. And then go ahead, put it onto the bottle like this. And then you're just going to go and flip the bottle and let all of the flour pour into the balloon until you have it to the size you want and there's no more flour into the water bottle. So I'm just going to go back and forth so I can get as much flour as possible into the balloon. So I'll go ahead and just speed that up. Okay, so now I have it filled to the amount I want. So now I'm just going to go ahead and carefully take it off of the water bottle without me spilling any or ripping it. It's okay if you rip like the tippy top, but not here or else flour will definitely spill out. Okay, so now that I have it out, I'm going to go ahead and just tie the balloon, making sure all the flour is in the base. And then I'll just tie it off so that no flour can come out. Now one thing I forgot to say, but before you tie it, make sure you get all the air out. And also, I'm sorry that I keep on going out of the camera frame. It's just habit to have everything closer to me. But now you have your dough ball and you can just stretch it and mess around with it, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna clean up real quick and then I'll go ahead and do the outro. Okay guys, so here's your finished product of a dough ball. They're really fun and satisfying, and it is a really nice fidget toy because you can really make them any size. Have this one on the very smaller side, this one's on the bigger side, and you can basically just pull it around in one hand, or you can grab two hands and stretch it without popping the balloon, of course, but you can stretch it pretty good, and it's just really fun, and you can do so much with this dough ball. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!